Well, this is Shimoga, and it's a little around 9 a.m. and this is a residence where Mrs. Geeta Shivraj Kumar and Mr. Shivraj Kumar are starting. Now, this is the residence, Banjara Haveli. Now, they've been here for the night, and this is where they really start off. Now, Shimoga has 8 assembly constituencies. Today, the focus is Shimoga Rural. Well, we have Mrs. Geeta Shivraj Kumar and Mr. Shivraj Kumar out here having breakfast. Well, we catch them as they have a quick breakfast, mostly fruits. They're enjoying a sumptuous meal of papayas and pomegranate and watermelon. That's about it. Well, this is what you call a star breakfast. Well, let's really ask them, why do they have just fruits? Well, Mr. Shivraj Kumar, why just fruits?
I'm used to eating only fruits. Actually, in the morning I don't have heavy. But in fact, I used to have only cornflakes or with a glass of juice. So that I feel this is better.
Let's also speak to the candidate, because nutritionally, is this enough to really keep her going through the day? Because she's got a long day ahead. Well, Mrs. Shivraj Kumar, do you think this meal will really suffice? You have a tough day ahead.
Yeah, actually my husband is very scared that I'll put on weight here because it's my hometown and I eat a lot of this food, you know. So he's told me to eat less here actually. So I just keep it light. And one more thing is it keeps me active. Keeping myself light with breakfast keeps me active the whole day.
Okay, so there is the secret. A light meal, mostly fruits. Well, a lot of antioxidants, a lot of nutrition. Well, that is the way they start their day.
After a light, scrumptious breakfast, the Shivraj Kumar couple were ready to hit the roads for campaigns. This campaign had an added advantage for Geeta, as she had the support of both her husband and Nenapirali fame Prem.
Now the Shivraj Kumar couple are also joined in by actor Prem, Nenapirali Prem, Mr. and Mrs. Shivraj Kumar, as they start from their home. We will continue to follow them from here as they proceed into the rural areas all around the city. Shivraj Kumar and Geeta Shivraj Kumar, they have proceeded. This is the Honali road. We will show you the visuals. So, on both sides of the road, you can see arecanut plantations. Now they proceed towards Sidlipura. Sidlipura is roughly about 30 minutes plus drive from Shimoga town. They've started from near the Sahyadri College and they go out to connect with the residents of Sidlipura. From there, they will be heading all around that area. Different villages, they will miss out really the tiny hamlets and small villages, sticking mostly to the larger villages. We will continue tracking them.
After receiving a warm welcome from the locals of Pillangeri, the contender and the star campaigners headed to their first official visit in Sidlipura. No doubt, the couple was welcomed warmly here also. The village witnessed a sea of anxiety and happiness from thousands gathered there.
This is Sidlipura, Bhadravati Taluk. This is Sidlipura in Bhadravati Taluk. And Shivraj Kumar and Geeta Shivraj Kumar arrive here to a rousing welcome. You can see the crowd that is collected here. The kind of crowd, very large crowd here in Sidlipura Grama. This is in Bhadravati of Shimoga. Very large crowd that receives them. This is officially their first stopover, according to the plan. You can see Geeta Shivraj Kumar making an instant connect with the people. Most recognize her as Bangarappa's daughter or as Dr. Rajkumar's daughter-in-law. Now here you can see people throwing garlands and welcoming them. There is band baja, there is music to welcome them, traditional music with which they welcome them. The other leaders also join in, and they will spend a short while here before they proceed. Also, they will be going around Shimoga Taluk here today for the most part of the morning. They will be going around Bhadravati. Shivraj Kumar and Geeta Shivraj Kumar go out on a road show. There is Maruti Rangamandira where they have planned a public meeting, and they're being carried in an open vehicle even as they enter Sidlipura. This is Bhadravati Taluk, and not a very large village, but fairly large in by way of local numbers. About 500-600 houses, population of about 2,500 to 3,000 people. And Nanapirali Prem, Shivraj Kumar and Geeta Shivraj Kumar. Even as they proceed to address the people here, this is a village that was once Bangarappa stronghold, but later on, with the passing times, changing times, this village has seen support to different politicians, but once it was considered Mr. Bangarappa stronghold. Now they enter this village here, and they will be addressing the people, even as many of them gather very enthusiastically.
The second place in their must-visit list was Saidara Kallahalli. This place was no different. It turned out to be a huge crowd puller. After this, they soon headed to Annaveri.
Well, this is Annaveri, and even as Geeta and Shivraj Kumar expected here in some time, you can see the crowds gathering. You can see the crowds gathering here, and people gathering here at Annaveri, and these are all youth who are gathering in support of Shivraj Kumar and Shivraj Kumar. The couple are yet to arrive here at Annaveri. We can see the police there. There is a police force here to ensure nothing goes out of hand. The function will be held. That is the stage for which preparations are already underway. Now, Shivraj Kumar and Geeta have gone past Annaveri to Saidara Kallahalli, and they have a function which they will complete before arriving here. And this is all a preparatory exercise before they arrive here in some time.
The preparations to welcome the contender were underway. The entire stage wore a festive look as Geeta and others walked to the dais.
ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಕೆ.ವಿ. ಗಂಗೇಶ್
This is Hanveri, the second largest populated center in this Shimoga rural area, and this is the kind of crowd that has gathered at this meeting. You can see huge numbers of people who have gathered here at this meeting. It is about nearly 12:30, and huge numbers of people gathering here, women, men, mostly youngsters. Now they've gathered here. This is the size of the crowds. This is the size of the crowds. Now, on the stage, who do we have? We have on the stage Shivraj Kumar. We also have Geeta Shivraj Kumar, and we have actor Prem. Now, they are here. They are here on the stage. People, of course, waiting eagerly to listen to Shivraj Kumar, Geeta Shivraj Kumar.